If your temperature gauge is acting like a nervous wreck and your engine is smelling like straight gasoline, you probably have a stored code P2186. This diagnostic trouble code means the powertrain control module or PI-CM has detected an intermittent signal from the number 2 engine coolant temperature sensor. This sensor is a critical component that acts like a thermometer for your engine computer, telling it exactly how hot the coolant is so it can adjust fuel delivery and ignition timing. Most vehicles use a 5-volt reference signal that changes as the sensor resistance fluctuates with the heat. When the signal is erratic or keeps cutting out, the computer gets confused and starts guessing how much fuel to spray. You will notice a rough idle, especially when the engine is cold, or the car might stumble and hesitate when you try to merge onto the highway. You might even see your electric cooling fans running at full blast all the time or not turning on at all, which can lead to overheating. A very common sign is a rich exhaust smell because the computer thinks the engine is freezing cold and dumps extra fuel into the cylinders. The most likely causes are a faulty coolant temperature sensor, a low coolant level, or a bad thermostat that is stuck open. Many times the wiring is the real culprit because these sensors are often located near hot exhaust manifolds, which can melt the wire insulation and cause an intermittent short to ground. To fix this, start by making sure your coolant is topped off and there are no leaks in the system. Use an infrared thermometer to check the actual temperature of the engine and compare it to what your scan tool is reading. If the numbers don't match or the reading on the scanner jumps around wildly, you should inspect the connector for corrosion and check the wiring harness. Use a digital volt-ohm meter to test the sensor resistance against the manufacturer specifications. If the sensor is bad, it is usually a quick and cheap replacement. Do not ignore this code because an intermittent cooling fan can cause your engine to overheat in heavy traffic, leading to a blown head gasket or a cracked engine block. A quick diagnostic check now will save you from a major breakdown on the side of the road later.